How to delete like videos on TikTok. This tutorial will use Android, but you can always follow the same step on iOS or on desktop, I think. Okay, and before we start this tutorial, all you need to do is just to hit that subscribe and ring that bell, okay? Prerequisite for this tutorial is that you have already updated your TikTok application to its latest version. You can consult both Play Store or App Store for that matter, depending on your device. So without further ado, let's go. First off, just open your TikTok. And then from that dashboard screen, just head on to your bottom right button on your bottom bar, aka your profile button. And there are two ways to basically just remove like videos on TikTok. First off is just to head on to your like videos. So from your profile, just click on the love or the heart icon. It will switch on to the tab where your like videos will be displayed. So there are many right here. And if you want to like delete the like videos on TikTok, all you need to do is just to hit on one of them, for example, and then just unlike it. So click on the heart button to unlike. Okay, and it will be removed from your like videos. However, if you wanted to keep your like videos intact and you just wanted to make sure that everyone does not have access to your like videos, all you need to do is just to head on to your top right button, aka the three lines button, and then go to settings and privacy, and from there just choose on privacy, continue on. Scroll to the bottom. As you can see, there is a menu called like videos below the stitch and above the direct messages. Just click on it and just make sure that you turn on the option to only me who can watch your like video. And that's pretty much how you delete like videos on TikTok. If you find this tutorial to be helpful and you wanted to see more, please make sure that you hit subscribe, like and comment down to our channel. If you have any suggestions or any topics that you want us at TechTricks to cover, please also put it on the comment section down below. Cheers, I hope it helps, and until the next tutorial YouTube, bye.